In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set bot button in Telegram. If you want to make your Telegram bot easier to use, adding a button is a great place to start. Telegram bots can use different types of buttons, but in this video, we're focusing on a simple basic setup using BotFather. This method lets you create a menu button that appears at the bottom of the chat, making it easier for users to access a link or trigger a bot-related action. To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone or computer. Once you're inside Telegram, go to the search bar and look for BotFather. This is Telegram's official bot management tool, and it's where you handle important bot settings. When you find it, open the chat and tap Start to Begin. Next, you'll need to either create a new bot or choose an existing one. If you're making a brand new bot, type the command /newbot. BotFather will guide you through the setup process step by step. You'll be asked to give your bot a name and then choose a username for it. After that, BotFather will generate a bot token. This token is important for bot development, so keep it private and secure. If you already have a bot, you can simply select that one instead of creating a new one. Once your bot is ready, the next step is to enable the menu button. In the BotFather chat, type /set menu button. BotFather will then ask you to choose the bot you want to edit, so select the correct one from the list. After selecting your bot, you'll be prompted to set a button name. This is the text users will see, so choose something clear and simple, like menu, help, or start here. Keep the wording short so it looks clean and professional inside the chat interface. Then, add the destination for the button. Depending on how you want your bot to work, this can be a website link or a bot command. For example, you might connect it to a web page, a support page, or a command that helps users navigate your bot's features. Make sure the link or command is correct before confirming, because this is what users will access when they tap the button. Once that's done, Telegram will create a single menu button at the bottom of the chat. This is a simple but useful way to improve the user experience and make your bot feel more polished and organized. And that's it. You've successfully set a bot button in Telegram using BotFather.